Guys, in today's video we'll be showing you how to turn on pre-upload videos before publishing on the general settings on your account on Rednote, easy and quickly. So first of all, you have to enter the application. Next, go to these three lines and then go to the settings and then go to the general settings, and here you will find this pre-upload videos before publishing. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, as you see. So that's how to turn on pre-upload videos before publishing, easy and quickly, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.